Hi there, it's Viking George, and today in this video I'm going to show you how to um, fix your microphone noise in Fedora Linux. Now, this video is actually quite different from the other videos you're going to see for Linux because Fedora actually resets its PulseAudio configuration every time you boot up. So, in order to not do it manually every time you uh, come on your Fedora, to do this, we have to set up an init script. In my case, I have made an init script with just one command in it, which actually loads the module. The command is this: is pactl module echo cancel. To do this, we have to go to cd etc init.d. Here I have my noise suppression sh already set up. Which means I can even show you sudo vim mic noise suppression. As you can see, like I have to do this bin zsh. You can do bin bash instead if you want. I just use zsh. So I mean I have bash, but I just use zsh. If you're not comfortable with vim, you can also do it with gedit, for example. As you can see, bin zsh pctl. We have our module loaded anyways right now. So what is this going to do? It's going to lower your mic noise suppression on startup. So you're not going to have to do anything. As for the other way was just going to your cd etc PulseAudio wait. Oh, actually it's cd etc default. Really? Anyways, there was a way to go to your PulseAudio settings file and just set it up there, but it always gets reset. I don't know I think that's a valid reason in Fedora that it resets. So this way should work for you. It should work for everybody using Linux because it's just an init script and it just executes every time you start up. And I hope that nobody's going to have any problems with it. So what you have to do is just that. And basically you're done, you're all set up. It's just a file and this command in it. Of course, if you're using fish, you can go bin fish and something like that. In my case, it's just CSH because I have bash, but I don't use it. It's just that CSH is more stable. All right, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope it helps you out. If you have any problems, you can message me down in the comments below, and let's conclude the video. This was my shortest video ever. Peace.